Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick transforming a dull, worn-out drill bit, which you might think is only good for the scrap bin, into a precision cutting machine. Now, I'm inserting an old drill bit into the chuck of the drill. To demonstrate just how ineffective this dull bit is, I'm going to try drilling a hole in this aluminum bar. You can see it barely makes a dent, leaving behind a rough, shallow impression, which highlights the need for sharpening. As you can see, the tip of this drill bit is completely worn out. It's so dull that it struggles to penetrate even soft metals. I'm going to use these two standard nuts. They'll help me determine the correct grinding angle. The drill bit is too sharp for the standard grinding angle. I'll show you how to refurbish your old, dull drill bits. Now, I'm preparing a small wooden block. I'll place one of the nuts on it to mark a reference point. Then use a marker and a ruler to draw lines at a precise 60-degree angle. This angle is critical for creating an effective cutting edge on our drill bit. I'm securing the marked wooden block firmly in a vise. Using a saw, I carefully cut along the diagonal lines I drew. This process yields a small angled piece of wood that will become a key component of our sharpening jig. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Once the angled piece is cut, I remove it from the vise. I'm now sanding all the cut edges of this small wooden piece. Smoothing the surfaces is important not only for safety and a neat finish, but also to ensure a snug and accurate fit when it's integrated into the larger jig. Next, I'll apply some strong adhesive to one side of the small wooden wedge I just cut and carefully glue it onto the larger wooden block. This forms the base and the primary guide for our drill bit sharpening jig, holding the angle precisely. Moving on to our sharpening tool, I'm taking an angle grinder. I use the provided wrench to loosen and remove the existing grinding disc. Now, I'm installing two grinding discs into the angle grinder. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm attaching the first metal bracket to the grinder. These brackets are essential for mounting the grinder securely. I use a bolt to attach it and then tighten it firmly with an adjustable wrench to ensure there's no wobble. I'm attaching a second identical metal bracket to the other side of the grinder. These two brackets form a stable frame, essentially transforming my handheld angle grinder into a stationary, fixed sharpening station, ready for mounting. Using my drill, I drive screws through the brackets to firmly secure the grinder to the base. This step ensures the entire setup is robust and safe for sharpening. I'm carefully placing the wooden positioning tool we made onto the base, aligning it perfectly with the grinding disc. I use a ruler and a marker to draw precise lines on the base. These lines will guide me to glue the jig in the exact spot, ensuring the drill bit meets the disc at our desired 60-degree angle. I'm applying super glue along the marked lines on the base and then carefully pressing the angled wooden jig into place. Then, I add a second flat piece of wood right next to it, also glued down, to provide even more support and stability for the jig. With our sharpening station complete, I take the dull drill bit and carefully place it into the angled slot of the wooden jig. I turn on the grinder and gently press the drill bit against the spinning sanding disc, making sure to follow the angle provided by the jig. As the bit heats up, I frequently dip it into a cup of water to cool it down, preventing any damage to the metal's temper. I repeat this process for both cutting edges of the bit, ensuring they are evenly and perfectly sharpened. Look at how incredibly sharp and refined the drill bit is now. The edges are clean, precise, and ready for action. It's a complete transformation from the dull bit we started with, all thanks to our custom sharpening jig. Let's put our newly sharpened drill bit to the ultimate test. I secure it back into my drill and then begin drilling into the aluminum bar. Look at that! It cuts through with absolute ease, creating clean, precise holes effortlessly. The difference is truly remarkable, proving that a sharp tool makes all the difference. Our incredible, super sharp drill bit, rescued from dullness with a simple DIY jig. This project proves that with a little creativity and effort, you can extend the life and improve the performance of your tools. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other tools you'd like to see me bring back to life. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.